So hello everyone, I'm Mike Jun H. Ganol. So I'm here today to demonstrate how to make a partition file system. So first, to go to the search bar and type partition. Partition. So just click this create and format hard disk partition. Next will be here in this disk management. So just click the Acer, which is the had the most big data storage. So click here, just right click and click shrink volume. So just be patient and wait because it it takes some time to load. And will be here. So if we need some 1 gig storage, so we just need uh to put 1000. So 1000 is equivalent to 1 gig data storage. If 2 gigs, it will be 2000. Then after you decided what data storage, how much data storage would you put? So next is click the string. So we should wait for a minute to load. Then after that, you can see that here is the 1000 MB unlocated. So we should rename this. So just click here, then right click and click the new system, new simple volume and button. Then just click next, and here you can choose what would you prepare later would be put on the file manager. So right now we're gonna pick letter Z. So after you decide what letter would you pick, so next, just click next. And here is the volume label. So this would be the name of your of your partition file system. So I'm gonna name it Mike. Then after finish, what name would you prepare? Put- Just click next and finish. Then it will be load. So the partition file system is already made. So we should go back to our file file manager, and here in this PC it's already here the partition file system we made. So Mike with ni- almost 1 gig data storage. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching and God bless.